Hi, I'm Coach B, and today we're going to go over the 2-3 zone defense. The point of 2-3 zone defense is to keep your bigs protected and force the shooting outside. So as you'll see here, we have the 1 and 2 defending the outside here. We have the 3 and 4 out in the points, and we have 5, the big man in the middle. Each one of these guys has their own island, if you think of it that way, that they're responsible for. So as you see, number 2 covers over this way. Number 1's got all over here. These guys share a little bit of an island, right? So what are we going to do when the ball gets passed, say from number 2 over here, over into the corner? We need to shift. Our number 5 now needs to move over into this zone to protect over here. But that's going to leave a whole space open over here for a cutter. So how do we prevent that? We have our 1 shift into place over here, and our 3 comes back in for support, allowing the big man to shift over here, cover the baseline, and protect against ball movement. The whole point of this is to force these guys to shoot out here, the 1 and 2. Now, if the 2 is the better shooter, you really want to keep your man up on top of him, almost in a man fashion. If he's not so much of a shooter, you want to drop this 2 back into the paint a little bit and give him room. Let him shoot. And that is the 2-3 zone defense.